Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to loop video in CapCut. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you want to create a loop effect where a video plays over and over again on repeat, just follow these steps. Start by opening the CapCut app on your iPhone or Android device. Once the app is open, create a new project by tapping on New Video, which will open your photo gallery so you can import the video you want to loop. Select the video from your gallery and add it to the timeline. For example, you can add any clip you want, such as a train video. If you want this video to play on repeat, all you need to do is tap on the video in the timeline to select it. After selecting it, scroll through the editing options at the bottom until you find the Duplicate option. If you're using an older version of CapCut, this option may be labeled Copy instead. Tap on Duplicate, and CapCut will create an exact copy of your video right after the original clip on the timeline. When you play the video, you'll see that it now plays seamlessly. You can repeat this duplication step as many times as you want to extend the loop for a longer duration. And that's it. So that is how you can loop video in CapCut. So that's all for this video. Thanks.